Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to Swiflearn, my little mathematicians. How are you all? How are you all doing? Great? Fine? Yes. And what about your studies? They are also going well? Yes? Okay. Let me just check how many you have joined the session. All right. Okay. All right. You already know me. I'm your maths instructor and my name is Minal Bahare. Alright, and today I'm here with the fourth session of polynomials. In the last three sessions, we have discussed about the polynomials, and today is the fourth session of polynomial. Okay, so what we have discussed in the previous sessions, in the last three sessions, we have discussed about the basics of polynomial, degree of polynomial, and we have discussed about the zeros of polynomial, linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. And in the last session, we have discussed about the relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. Alright, and today what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss the problems based on the polynomial. Okay everyone, so I hope you all are ready for the session. Yes, okay, alright. Hello Mayank, hello Disha, how are you? Alright, good afternoon everyone, once again. Alright, so let's start the session, and before starting the session, let me introduce you with Swiflearn. Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1st to 10th. Alright, and also we will provide the 100% live and interactive classes, and in our each batch we have a maximum of 6 students. Alright, so that we will give the personalized attention to each and every student in each and every class. Alright everyone? Okay, yes. And also we have a dedicated academic mentor team to track and work on the student progress. Okay, and also we will provide the feedback to the students on the timely basis. And also we cover the syllabus, CBSE and ICSE as per the school exam. And also we will handle the custom request. So whenever there is a requirement of class, we will arrange the class accordingly. Okay, all right. So yeah, Disha, I will ask the questions too. But before that, let me introduce you with Swiflearn. Okay, now let's move on to our key features. So what are key features? We will provide the detailed progress reports to the parents so that they track their child's progress on the daily basis, on the timely basis. Okay, and also you can take unlimited practice tests in the Swiflearn so that you will check your preparation level on time to time. And also we will provide you the Swiflearn academic test series to check your preparation level, and also you can also check your school exam preparation level also. Got it? And if you want to experience the quality teaching with Swiflearn, so book a free trial class with Swiflearn. Got it? Okay, everyone. So once again, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you never miss any update with Swiflearn. And also, if you like the videos, click on the like button, comment and share it with your friends, everyone. Got it? Okay. Alright, so today we are with the polynomial fourth session, and today we will discuss the problems based on polynomials. Alright everyone, so ready for the session? Come on, tell me fast. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay, so let's start the session with great enthusiasm. What do you all say? Alright, so are you all ready with your pen, with your copy? Yes? Okay, give me a high five, everyone. Yes. All right. So let's start the session. Before that, what are the objective of today's session? Today we will discuss about the mind map of polynomials, concept-based questions, quizzes and fun facts, and subjective questions too. So today we will discuss a lot of quizzes and subjective questions. Okay, everyone? Yes. All right. So let's start the session. Before that, let us just revise what we have discussed in the last three sessions. Then only we will do the questions now. So first have a revision. So what are the polynomials? Polynomial are expression which consist of variables, constant and coefficient. Alright, we know all these things. Now what is the degree of polynomial? Degree is nothing but it is the highest power of x in the polynomial, or we can say highest power of variable in a polynomial. That will be the degree of polynomial. Okay everyone? Yes. Alright. Now what are the types of polynomial? On the basis of degree, there are three types of polynomial. Alright. The first one is linear polynomial, and its general form is what? Ax plus b. Got it? Next is a quadratic polynomial. Its degree is 2 and its general form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to what? A is not equals to 0. Got it? And the third one is cubic polynomial. So in cubic polynomial, the degree is 3 and the general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here also a is not equals to 0. Got it? So this is the types of polynomial on the basis of degree. Alright, and in all the session I have discussed this note. The exponent of variables should be non-negative integral values only. Then only the polynomial, then only that expression will be a polynomial. Got it? So exponent should be positive integral value only. Got it? Okay everyone, so if you got this thing, let's move on to the next slide. And next, so in the last session we have discussed about the relationship between 0 and coefficient of polynomial. Let's have a revision. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial and the general form of quadratic polynomial is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Alright, then sum of zeros will be equals to what? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. That is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. That is minus b by a. Got it everyone? And what is the product of 0? Product of 0 is nothing but it is equals to c by a. That is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Got it? So this is the relationship between 0 and coefficient for the quadratic polynomial. Alright, now let's move on to the cubic polynomial, and here is the cubic polynomial relation. So the general form of a cubic polynomial is what? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So sum of the zeros will be, if the zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, then sum will be equals to what? Minus b by a. Alright. And the sum of product of the zeros taken two at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c by a. That is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Got it? And last is product of zeros, that is alpha, beta and gamma. That will be equals to minus d by a. That is the constant term divided by coefficient of x square, x cube. Got it? So these two things we have discussed in the last session. Got it everyone? Okay Disha, the cubic polynomial is not coming in the exams I believe, but actually no, they come in the exams, cubic also. So if it is better na that you are learning the quadratic as well as cubic, nahi aata exam mein to it's okay. But अगर हमारा आता है एग्जाम में तो वी हैव टू नो ना कि क्यूबिक क्या होता है, तो हम सारी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, एग्जाम में कुछ भी आता है, हमको सब कुछ बनना चाहिए. ओके, all right. And in the second session we have discussed about the zeros of polynomial graphically. Yes, I think सबको याद होगा कि zeros हम कैसे देखते हैं ग्राफ के थ्रू. Let's have a revision. So first case is graph cut x-axis at 2 points. So in the last session we have discussed that number of zeros will be equals to what? The number of point at which the graph cut at x-axis. So here the graph cut x-axis at how many point? 1 and 2 point. Here also 1 and 2 points. So number of zeros will be equals to 2. Got it? Now the second case is graph cut x-axis at exactly 1 point. So if the graph cut exactly at 1 point, so number of zeros will be equals to what? 1 only. Okay. And at last, graph does not cut x-axis. If the graph does not cut x-axis, then number of zeros will be what? Number of zeros will be 0. Got it? Okay, everyone. So this is all about the last sessions. Division algorithm. Yeah. In the last session, we end our class with a division algorithm. Today we will start with division algorithm. Okay, everyone. So let's have a discussion over with the division algorithm, and here we are with the division algorithm. Okay, in the last class I have discussed this division algorithm with you. One question based on that. First we will revise that question and then move forward. Alright, what you all say? Revision करें हम उस question का? Okay, so now let's move on to the division algorithm. So the last question that we have discussed is this: x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. This is our cubic polynomial. Okay, and its one of 0 is 1. It is given that one of its 0 is what? 1. For x equals to 1, px equals to 0. We know that if one of the 0 is 1, then the polynomial by putting that value will be equals to what? 0. Alright. So this shows if 1 is is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Got it? Yes, this thing. If 1 is a 0, then x minus 1 is what? It is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. That is a given polynomial factor. Got it? Now let's have a look over the division that we have discussed in the last class. और मैंने आपको last class में बोला था कि हम starting से ही ये revise करेंगे because it's important. हमें ये बनना चाहिए. Alright. So let's move on. First, what's the meaning of divisor, quotient, dividend and remainder? Let's discuss. All right. So this quantity जिससे हमें हमारे dividend को divide करना होगा, that is known as the divisor. Dividend, the given polynomial will be the dividend. Quotient is this one, and last is what? Last is known as the remainder. All right. So let's solve this question. Okay. So what will be the first step? If my divisor is x minus 1, so my first step is what? If I have to make a value x cube from x, then what I will multiply to make it x cube? I have to multiply x square with x to make it x cube. So my first factor will be equals to what? X square. So x into x square is what? X cube. Then minus 1 into x square is what? Minus x square. Got it? So then if I want to cancel this one, then negative sign, and again this negative sign changes to what? Positive. Alright, so what I left with? Minus 3x square plus x square means minus 2x square. Then I will take this value here. So minus x. Then what I have to multiply with x to make it minus 2x square? So I have to multiply minus 2x. So my next term will be equals to what? Minus 2x. So let's multiply x into minus 2x will be what? Minus 2x square. And minus 1 minus 2x is what? Plus 2x. Got it? And if I cancel this one, so this quantity, these two quantity get cancelled, and minus x minus 2x becomes what? Minus 3x. Then I will shift this value downward. Alright, so minus 3x plus 3. Then what I will multiply with x to make it minus 3? Minus 3x. So I have to multiply it by minus 3x. Got it? So minus 3x plus minus 1 and minus 3. The multiplication of minus 1 and minus 3 is what? Plus 3. And when I will change the value, then they get cancelled with each other. And what is left? 0 is left. So here the remainder is what? 0. Dividend is this. Quotient is what? X square minus 2x minus 3. And divisor is what? X minus 1. Now I think you all understood this concept. कि हमें कैसे divide करना होगा polynomial को किसी भी divisor से. Okay everyone? Okay. अगर किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, just tell me in the comment section. Alright, I think no doubt till here everyone सबको सब कुछ clear है. Let's move on to the next slide. Alright, so we got this as a question. X square minus 2x minus 3. ये question हमारा आया था. Then we got factors of x square minus 2x minus 3. We know that हमें बहुत अच्छे से clear है कि हम quadratic equation के factors कैसे निकालते हैं? By splitting the middle term. So what are the factors we get? X plus 1 and x minus 3. So at last, what are the factors of x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3? X minus 1, because it's given na? X is equals to 1 is a factor of, is a 0 of x cube minus 3x square. So one of the factor is x minus 1 and other two factors we obtain by using the splitting method. So x plus 1 and x minus 3. Alright, and we know that if these are the zeros, then they equals to what? They are equals to 0. So the value of x will be what? So the value of x becomes, that is 0 becomes 1, minus 1 and plus 3. So all the three zeros of a polynomial are what? 1, minus 1 and plus 3. Got it everyone? Okay. Till here any doubt? कोई भी छोटू वाला मोटू वाला डाउट किसी को? No? Alright. So no doubt till here. Let's move on to the next slide. And here's the next slide. Now division algorithm for polynomials. From the above example that we have discussed, we observe that dividend is equals to what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Alright, so remember this thing. I think आपको सबको पता होगा, but remember this thing. Because in most of the problems we require this thing also. In some of the problems, alright, subjective problems, we require this relation also. So what is the relation? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Alright, now let's have a look. If px and gx are the two polynomials such that gx is not equals to 0, then we can find polynomial qx, that is the quotient polynomial, and the remainder polynomial like this. Px is what? Dividend. It is equals to what? Divisor. Divisor is also in the form of polynomial into quotient, that is qx. It is also in the form of polynomial plus Rx. Alright, where Rx equals to 0 or degree of Rx should be always less than the degree of Gx. Keep this thing in mind. And actually आप सबको क्लियर होगा ये तो कि रिमाइंडर की डिग्री हमेशा ही Gx दैट इज डिवाइजर की डिग्री से कम होती है ना, तभी तो हमारे रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू लेस आती है. गॉट इट? सो what is the relation? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And one more important note, the value of remainder will be equals to 0 or degree of remainder will always be less than the degree of divisor. Got it everyone? Okay, ये relation भी हमें use होता है exams में. Alright, in the multiple choice question. Okay, alright, तो हम आगे बढ़े next slide की तरफ. Let's move on to the next slide. Yes everyone? Okay. So let's move on to the next slide and do some problem. Yes, so now we will discuss concept based questions on the polynomials. Okay everyone? Alright. So here is the question. Question number 1. First we will do some fill in the blanks questions. Alright, based on the polynomial. Ready? Okay. Alright, so the first question is, a polynomial of degree n has at most dash 0. अगर polynomial की degree n होगी, so at most how many 0 it consists of? Yes, we have discussed in the first session, second session as well as third session. So क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Answer is n zeros. Alright. So a polynomial of degree n has at most n zeros. Got it? For example, if I say my polynomial is of degree 3, that is like this. 4x square plus 2x plus 3. So at most how many zeros it consists? It consists of 3 0. Alright, based it depends on the degree. If the degree is n, then at most n zeros. Got it? Okay everyone. Now moving on to the next question. And the next question is, a polynomial of degree 3 is called as what? Yes, a polynomial of degree 3 is known as what? A polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear, degree 2 is known as what? Quadratic, and degree 3 is known as what? Cubic. Got it? Yes. So a polynomial of degree 3 is called as cubic. So degree 1 linear, degree 2 quadratic, and degree 3 cubic. Got it? Okay. Let's move on to the next. And next we will do some true and false question. Ready? Okay. So the first question is, a polynomial of degree n has at most n square zeros. True or false? क्या होगा guys? True or false? Yes, so we have already discussed na. A polynomial of degree n has at most n zeros, not n square zeros. Alright, so answer will be definitely it is false. Okay, very good Disha. Yes, false. Alright, so the answer for the first one is false. Let's move on to the second question. And here's the second question. A zero of polynomial are y coordinates of the point where the graph px equals to y intercept y-axis. What do you all say? True or false? A zero of polynomial are y coordinates of the point where the graph px equals to y intercept y-axis. Or something else? Yes, the answer is false. Yes. Why? Because it intersects x-axis. The zero of polynomial are x coordinate of the point where the graph px equals to y intercept x-axis. Alright, so this statement is definitely false. Got it everyone? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So let's move on to the next question and question number 3. Here is the third question. So which of the following does not represent the quadratic polynomial? Here we have to tell that which does not represent the quadratic polynomial. Alright, so here is the graph and we have already discussed these graph in the last 3 sessions. Okay, so tell me guys, what will be the answer? Okay, I will help you with this. If I say first one, it's a quadratic na? Because the shape is parabolic in shape. Alright, so the first one is quadratic. If I talk about the B, again it is parabolic in shape, again it is quadratic. If I talk about the third one, again it is parabolic in shape, that is, it is quadratic. So the fourth one, the D one, yes, it's not a quadratic polynomial, it's a, it's what? It's a cubic polynomial, it's not a quadratic. So answer will be what? Graph D does not represent the quadratic polynomial. I think Disha, now you understood. The graph answer will be what? Graph D. Got it? Yeah, very good, Disha. Answer is graph D. Alright. Now moving on to the next question. A polynomial of degree 1 is termed as what? Linear polynomial. Yes, we have already discussed this. So a polynomial of degree 1 is termed as linear polynomial. Is it true or false? Is it? Definitely true. Yes, a polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Yeah, very good. Alright, now move on to the next question. And here is the fifth question. Yeah. Given a polynomial px equals to ax square plus bx plus c, its one of the 0 is 0. What will be the product of 0? Yeah, yes. So I'm waiting for your answer. Question number 5th. Given polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, its one of the 0 is 0. What will be the product of zeros? Okay. जब तक आप solve कर रहे हो, I will give you the actually formula. The product of zeros of quadratic polynomial is what? Quadratic polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c is what? Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Alright, so this is the formula. But here, one of the 0 is given as 0. And here it is saying that multiply of the zeros. So we know that if the two zeros are alpha into beta, its value is equals to c by a. And if the value of one of the 0, that is alpha, is 0, so the product will be equals to what? It is definitely equals to 0. Got it? So we don't need the formula actually for this question, but I have revised the formula with you. So the product of the zeros will be equals to what? 0. Because one of the 0 is 0. That's it. Okay, everyone. So answer for this question will be equals to what? 0. Got it? Let's move on to the next question. What do you all say? The zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 32 are. So we have to find the values of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, and the options are both negative, both positive, both equal, and the last one is one positive and one negative. So I think आप सब try कर सकते हो इस question को. Alright, so I'm waiting for your answer. Just a minute. Yes. Okay. And I think हम साथ साथ में भी कर सकते हैं इस question को. और I think आप लोग आंसर दे रहे हो. Yes, Disha, I am waiting for your answer. So the given polynomial is all right. So let's solve this question together, and I think some are solving the question, but let me solve this question. Okay. Alright, so the given polynomial is 2x square minus 32. Okay, so can I take 2x common from these two terms? So what is left? X square minus 16. And in the last class, we have discussed that algebraic property. And what is that algebraic property? Yes, a square minus b square is what? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. Got it? So can I apply this property here? Yes. So to x square, yeah, Mayank, you got the answer is D. Option number D. One positive and one negative. Okay, very good. X square minus 16. Alright, so can I write it like this? X plus 4 and x minus 4. Yes, alright. And we know that if we have to find the zeros, then at that time px is equals to what? is equals to 0. So this implies 2x plus 4 into x minus 4 is equals to what? It is equals to 0. So this implies x plus 4 into x minus 4 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. So if I solve this question, at last what I will get? X plus 4 is equals to 0 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. So what are my zeros? X equals to minus 4 and x equals to 4. Got it? Yeah, very good, mind. Plus and minus 4. Yes, so the zeros are negative 4 and positive 4. Got it? So the zeros of a quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 32 are one positive and one negative. And what are the values? Negative 4 and positive 4. Got it? Yes, very good, Disha. Positive 4 and negative 4. Got it, everyone? Yes, yes. All right, all right. So let's move on to the next question. What do you all say? Yes? Okay, so let's move on to the next question. And here is the next question. If x raised to the power 5 plus 2x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 9x plus 8 is divided by x cube plus 7x square plus 1, what will be the possible degree of question? So here is the question. Possible degree क्या होगी question की? So I am waiting for your answers. All right. Hmm. All right, so I think you all are solving and I will give you the option. So the answer for the seventh, yeah, Disha, you are saying answer is 2. What will be the possible degree of quotient is 2. All right. So see here, if my question is my possible polynomial is x cube 2x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 9x plus 8. Alright, and I have to divide it by x cube plus 7x squared plus 1. See here, what I have to multiply with x raised to the power 3 to make it x raised to the power 4. The possible value is what? X square. Yes, it is the possible. And what is asked in the question? What will be the possible degree of question? So definitely the possible degree of quotient is what? 2. Very good, Disha. Yeah, it will be 2. It is definitely 2. Let's have a look over the option. So the options are 1, 2, 3 and minus 2. So definitely answer is 2. Got it, everyone? Okay, great. Let's have a look over the next question. And here is the next question. Question number 8. If this given polynomial is divided by x cube plus 7x square plus 1, what will be the possible degree of remainder? So here is the question. And I'm waiting for your answers. So I think सबको वो नोट याद होगा that I have discussed in the starting and फिर से अपन उस नोट को रिवाइज करते हैं. What is that note? हमने ये नोट रिवाइज किया था. Remainder is equals to 0 or degree of remainder is always less than the degree of gx, that is the divisor. So let's have look over the question that we are going to discuss. So it is asked that degree of remainder will be what? So we know that degree of remainder is equals to what? It is equals to 0 or less than degree of divisor. Yes, and here the divisor degree is what? 3. Yes, it is divisor, so its degree is 3. So degree of remainder will be equals to what? It is less than the degree of divisor. So let's have a look over the option. 4, 3, 0 or lesser than 3. What do you all say? The answer will be what? It is lesser than 3. That is option number D. Got it? Because the degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. And here the degree of divisor is what? 3. So it is definitely less than 3. Got it? Alright, great everyone. Now let's have a look over the next question, and here is the question number 9. If 3 is one of the root of x square minus 2x plus 3, then what will be the possible value of k? Alright, so आप सब इस क्वेश्चन को रीड करो एक बार. Alright, so what do you all say? Let's solve this question together. Yes. Alright. So what will be the solution? If 3 is one of the root of x square minus 2x plus k. So given px is what? It is equals to x square minus 2x plus k. If 3 is one of the root, then we know that if one of the root is 3, then p3 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. This means 3p3, that is equals to 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus k is equals to what? It is equals to 0. Now let's solve this. So 3 square will be equals to 9 minus 6 plus k is equals to 0. When I solve this, what I will get? 3 plus k is equals to 0. This means the value of k will be equals to what? Definitely it will be equals to what? Minus 3. So it's my answer. Got it? So in this way, very good Disha. Yes, answer is minus 3. So in this way, we have to solve this question. So let's have a look over the option. Option 1 is 4, option B is 3, option C is minus 3 and option D is minus 1. So our answer will be option number C. Very good. Great. Okay, let's have a look over the next question, and here is the question number 10. If minus 3 is one of the 0 of k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1, then the value of k will be what? This is the question. Alright, I think आप try कर रहे होगे इस question को. Okay. Alright. I'm waiting for the answer. So the given polynomial is px is what? K minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1. If minus 3 is one of the 0, so we know that p minus 3 is what? Is equals to 0, means k minus 1, and if I put the value of x as minus 3, so minus 3 square plus k minus 3 plus 1 is equal to what? It is equals to 0. Alright. Now 3 3 is a 9, k minus 1, okay, plus means minus 3k plus 1 is equals to what? 0. Alright. Then next will be 9k minus 9 minus 3k. Yeah, Disha, you are giving me the answer is 11 by 9. Let's have a look. Minus 3k plus 1 is equals to what? 0. Then 9x minus 3k will be equals to what? 6k. Alright. And minus 9 plus this will be equals to what? Minus 8 is equals to 0. So at last, if I solve this, let's have a look now. I am solving here. So 6k minus 8 equals to 0. This means 6k equals to 8. This means k equals to what? 8 by 6. That is answer is 4 by 3. Okay Disha, so answer is 4 by 3, not 11 by 9. Let's check where you are wrong. अब देखो उसमें से कहाँ पे गलत किया आपने. So answer for k will be equals to what? 4 by 3. Got it? Let's have a look over the option. So option number A is 4 by 3, option number B is 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and D 1 by 3. So finally answer will be what? It will be equals to 4 by 3. Got it everyone? So answer will be 4 by 3. Okay. Alright, so ready for the next question? Yes. Okay, so let's have a look over the next question, and here is the question number next, 11th. So 4x square minus 6x minus k is divisible by x minus 3, then value of k is exact divisor of what? And these are the options. Okay. So what you all want? Yes, very good Disha. 4 by 3 will be the right answer for the last question. Let's have a look over this question together. What you all say? इस क्वेश्चन को साथ में करें. फर्स्ट आप सभी लोग इसको क्वेश्चन को रीड करो. So 4x square minus 6x minus k is divisible by x minus 3. First, first let's divide this na. Then we have to find the value of k's exact divisor of what? So let's divide this first. So 4x square minus 6x minus k. When we divide this, just a minute everyone. Yeah. Alright. So first what I have to do, I have to divide this value by x minus 3. Alright. Okay. So what I have to multiply to make it 4x square? So I have to multiply 4x. So 4x square. Then minus 3 into 4 means minus 12x. Alright. And subtract this and this. This cancel. And we are left with 6x minus k. Alright. So what I have to multiply to make it 6x plus 6. So 6x minus k. 6x minus 3. Just a minute. 6x minus 18. Yes. Alright. So this becomes 6x and this becomes minus 18. Alright. So this got cancelled and this becomes positive. So we are left with 18 minus k. And we know that this is divisible by x minus 3. That is, the remainder will be equals to what? Remainder will be equals to 0. Got it? So value of k will be what? So just a minute. Minus k is there na? Yeah. So what we will get? 18 minus k is equals to 0. So value of k will be equals to what? It will be equals to 18. So value of k is 18. So k is exact divisor of what? It is an exact divisor of this 36. Because it is not a divisor of 9. It is not a divisor of 45. It is an exact divisor of 36. Got it everyone? So the answer, yeah Disha, I think now you understood the answer will be what? Answer is 36. Because the value of k comes out to be 18 and k is an exact divisor. That is 18 is an exact divisor of what? 36. Got it? I think एक बार चेक कर लो आप लोग. कोई भी डाउट हो किसी को? No? Got it? So let's have a look over the option answer. So the answer for this will be definitely 36. Got it? Alright, so now you understood this one. Let's have a look over the next question. And this is question number 12. If fx equals to 5x minus 10 is divided by x minus root 2, then remainder will be what? Yes, let's have a look over this question also. Alright, let's solve this question together. If fx is 5x minus 10, it is divided by x minus root 2. So first divide this fx minus 10 by x minus root 2. Alright. So what I have to multiply to x to make it 5x? 5? Okay. So 5x minus 5 root 2. Alright. When I cancel this one, this becomes this. And at last, what I will get as a remainder? 5 root 2 minus 10. Got it? Okay. Now, it is given that remainder will be what? Okay. And just a minute, I will give you the option also to all of you. So it will be a rational number, it will be an irrational number and so on. Oh, just a minute. I have actually revealed the answer. So see here, what is the remainder here? Remainder is 5 root 2 minus 10, or I will say if I take 5 as a common, I will left with root 2 minus 2. And we know that root 2 is an irrational number. That's why a remainder is what? It's an irrational number. Got it? So answer for this one will be what? The remainder will be an irrational number. Got it? Okay everyone. Now let's have a look over the next question. So answer for this one will be irrational number. Alright. So let's have a look over this one. Once again true and false. If x equals to 3 is a 0 of a polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 3. Is it yes or no? You have to answer this question. Yes or no? Okay. So for this, what you all say? क्या check करना होगा हमको? X equals to 3 is a 0. Means Px is given as 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 3. If x equals to 3 is a 0, means if I put the value of x, put x equals to 3, if it comes out to be 0, then pakka pakka it is a 0 of a polynomial. And if it doesn't comes out to be 0, then definitely our answer no hoga. Let's have a look. Put x equals to 3. So P3 will be equals to what? 2, 3 cube minus 5, 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 2. Plus 3, not 2, plus 3. Alright. After solving it, 3 3s are 9, 3 cube will be 27, 27 into 2 will be 54, minus 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, minus 3 4s are 12, plus 3. 54 and 45 is what? 9. And minus 12 plus 3 is what? Minus 9. So definitely P3 comes out to be 0. So pakka pakka, what will be the answer? Yes, x equals to 3 is a 0 of a polynomial. Alright, because when we put the value of x as 3, it comes out to be 0. So answer is definitely yes. Let's have a look. Let's have a look over the answer. So answer will be yes, definitely yes. Got it everyone? Okay. Alright, very good Disha. Yes, 0 is the answer, so yes. Alright, moving on to the question number 12. There is a graph and you have to find the number of zeros. Okay, ये तो बहुत easy question होगा. Let's have a look. This is a graph and you have to tell how many number of zeros will be there. So, what will be the answer? As the graph cut x-axis at only one point, that's why number of zeros will be what? 1. Got it? Okay, great everyone. Now moving on to the question number 13. Again there is a graph. You have to find the number of zeros. So the graph is like this. It cut the x-axis at 0 point. That's why number of zeros will be what? 0. Great. Got it? Alright. Moving on to the next question. Again there is a graph and you have to find the number of zeros. Alright. So number of zeros in this. Again, see here. X equals to py. So here the graph is in the term of y, terms of y. Alright, every time we will see that a polynomial will be in the term of x square 4x plus 3. It is in the term of what? X. That's why we will check for the x-axis. Now here the graph is in the term of y. That's why we will check the y-axis. So at how many point it will cut at y-axis? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number of zeros will be equals to what? It will be equals to definitely 4. Got it everyone? 4 points पे यहाँ पे cut कर रहा है. And क्यों? Because the given polynomial is in the form of y variable. That's why we will check for the y-axis. Got it? Okay, great. Now let's have a look over the next question. And here is the next question. Find the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. And again, I think ये तो सबके लिए बहुत easy होगा. It is a quadratic polynomial and sum of 0 will be equals to what? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus coefficient of x divided by constant term, divided by coefficient of x square. And here what is the value of b? It is 0. That's why answer will be what? Answer will be sum of zeros will be equals to 0. So easy. Yes, easy one. Alright, so answer for this one will be 0. Moving on to the next question. Find the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Yes, let's have a look. Again, it's a quadratic polynomial and we know that sum of zeros for quadratic polynomial is equals to what? Minus b by a, and here minus b means b is what? Minus 8. That is minus 8 divided by a is what? 4. So answer will be equals to what? 8 by 4. That is it is equals to 2. So sum of zeros will be equals to what? It is equals to 2. Got it? Okay, if you got this one, let's move on to the next question. And here is the next question. We have to find the value of m such that x square minus mx plus 7 is the quotient when x cube minus 3x minus 4 is divided by x plus 2 blah 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 lots of thing is given. So हमें क्या करना होगा यहाँ पे, क्या सोचते हो आप सभी? हमको दिया है फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ m, हमें m की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है सच दैट दिस इज द क्वेश्चन व्हेन वी डिवाइड दिस बाय x प्लस 2. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करें, हम डिवाइड ही कर लेते हैं ना, x क्यूब प्लस 3x माइनस 4 बाय व्हाट, x प्लस 2. एंड इसके बाद जो हमारा क्वेश्चन आएगा हम उसको कंपेयर कर लेंगे विद दिस क्वेश्चन, तो हमारा आंसर हमको मिल जाएगा. गॉट इट? सो फर्स्ट हम क्या करते हैं, हम इसको डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. So what we have to multiply with x to make it x cube, x square, then it becomes x cube, then 2 plus, then we are left with plus 2x square. Got it? Cancel, cancel, this become this. We are left with minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4. Alright, then what I have to multiply to x to make it minus 2x square? Minus 2x. Yes? So minus 2x square, and it becomes 2 to the 4. So minus 4x, cancel, cancel, it becomes 7x minus 4. Then what I have to multiply with x to make it 7x? So I have to multiply it by 7. So 7x minus 7 4, 7 to the 14 plus 14, cancel, cancel, and we are left with the remainder minus 18. Alright, so the value of m such that x square minus mx plus 7 is the question. So we will get what as a question? See, so the quotient is equals to, after dividing we will get quotient equals to x square minus 2x plus 7. Got it? And given quotient is what? Given quotient is equals to what? Given quotient is x square minus mx plus 7. So on comparing, what we will get as an answer? On comparing, we will get, see, x square, x, and in place of m, what is given? In place of m, we are given with 2. So the value of m will be what? So the value of m will be equals to 2. On comparison, we will get the value of m as 2. Got it? Yes, Disha, by division algorithm. Got it? Alright. So the answer for this one will be equals to what? M equals to 2. So technical gamers, what you want? Ma'am, do me a favor. What favor you want? Alright, so the answer for this question will be M equals to 2. Got it everyone? Any doubt till here? कोई भी problem, कोई भी छोटा वाला मोटा वाला doubt किसी को? No? Alright, so if no doubt is there, what you all say? Class question और कर ले हम? Yes, so moving on to the last one, and here is the last question. Today, this is the last question for today's class. Alright, so with lots of energy, full energy से हम इस question को solve करते हैं. We have to check whether 3x minus 7 is a factor of polynomial given polynomial. तो हम कैसे check करेंगे? What you all say? अगर 3x minus 7 से ये fully divide हो जाता है, means if remainder comes out to be 0, पक्का पक्का ये फैक्टर है. इफ इट डजंट कम्स आउट टू बी 0, पक्का पक्का ये फैक्टर नहीं होगा. सो हमें क्या करना होगा, हमें डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम से इसको सॉल्व करना होगा. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट बाय यूजिंग द डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. सो द गिवन पॉलिनोमियल इज दिस. नाउ अप्लाइंग द डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम 3x minus 7. ऑलराइट, साथ में सॉल्व करते हैं हम क्वेश्चन को. आप भी साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करिए एंड आई एम आल्सो डूइंग द क्वेश्चन. Okay, all right. So 6x cube plus 20x square minus 26x plus 25. What I will multiply with 3 to make it 6x cube? 3, 2 and x. All right. So 2x. So it becomes 6x cube or 2x square. Yeah, then only it become x cube, na? So 3 2 is a 6x cube. That is, it becomes 6x cube. And 7 2 is a 14 minus 14x square. Got it? Now this become cancelled. This. And 10. Here it is. Then this become 15x square minus 26x minus 25. Okay, everyone? Now what I will multiply to make 3x as 15x square plus 5x. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15x square, and here we are 7 5s are 35 minus 35x. Ding and ding. This like this. Okay, okay. Now minus 26x plus 35x. What we will get? 9x, positive 9x minus 25. Now what I have to multiply it with 3 to make it 9 plus 3 only. So 9x minus 7 3s are 21. This and this get cancelled. And we are left with a remainder, and the remainder is minus 4. Got it? So here the remainder is minus 4, and we have to check whether 3x minus 7 is a factor of polynomial 6x cubed minus x squared minus 26x minus 25. So we will say no, see here. So answer will be equals to what? No, 3x minus 7 is not is not a factor of given polynomial. Why? Because the remainder is not equals to 0. That's why 3x minus 7 is not a factor of given polynomial. Got it? Yes, everyone? So answer for this will be no, definitely no. Why? Because remainder is not equals to 0. So till here, any doubt, anyone? किसी को कोई भी छोटा वाला मोटा वाला doubt? कोई भी doubt हो किसी को? Tell me. किसी को कोई भी doubt? Discuss me in the comment section. Yes, everyone? So no doubt till here? Yes, yes. Alright, thank you everyone for this wonderful session. Yes, thank you Disha, thank you Mayank, thank you technical gamers. You all have joined the session and enjoyed the session. Give me the answer. Alright everyone, so hope you all enjoy the session. That's all about today's class. And if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Okay, we will meet again in the next session with the next topic. Alright, till then, bye bye, tata, take care and have a superb day. Alright, and if you like the video, click on the like button, comment and share it with your friends. Alright everyone, so okay, that's all about today's session. Tata everyone, bye bye.